In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word 2016 document to Microsoft 365 or SharePoint in an easy and straightforward way. If you're working in a collaborative environment, saving your documents to SharePoint ensures that they are easily accessible to your team, and it can help keep everything organized. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open Word 2016 on your computer. Either bring up a document you've already been working on or create a new one that you wish to save to SharePoint. With the document open and ready, your next step is to navigate to the File menu in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking on this opens a list of options. From here, select Save As, which is essential for saving your document in a SharePoint location. As you look under Save As, you will notice a section labeled Places or Sites SharePoint. This is where you'll decide where exactly your document should be saved. If your SharePoint site has already been set up as one of these places, you'll see it listed right there. Simply click on it, and you will be directed to the next step. However, if your SharePoint site doesn't appear, don't worry. You'll just need to add it as a new place. To do this, click on Add a Place. You'll need to enter the appropriate credentials or the URL for your SharePoint site, which usually entails some connectivity details from your organization. Once entered properly, your SharePoint site will now show up in your list of places. Now that your SharePoint location is visible under Places or Sites, click to select it. This action will take you to a view of your SharePoint site, where you can browse through the available document libraries or folders. Navigate through these folders with a focus on finding the most suitable library for storing your document. This organization step will ensure that your documents remain easy to find for yourself and your team members. Once you have found the right folder, you'll need to assign a file name if you're dealing with a new document. If you're simply updating an existing file, you can skip this step. Enter your chosen file name in the provided field and go ahead and click Save. At this point, Word will complete the process of saving your document to the specified SharePoint location. One last note to consider: after saving your document, you might notice that autosave turns on. This is available if your document and SharePoint environment support it. Autosave is a helpful feature because it automatically saves your progress while you work, ensuring that all ongoing changes are stored without you needing to lift a finger. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to save your Word 2016 documents to Microsoft 365 or SharePoint, keeping your work well structured and easily shareable with your team. Thanks for joining in, and happy collaborating.